you know, we hit each of the different shots here, and so I kind of want to ask you, you know, which one do you think you felt very confident hitting? You know, what was the easiest shot for you to hit? You know, the 9.
I think the high draw.
The high draw, okay. And where do you think you were struggling to hit the shot? You know,
Fades.
The fades.
The
okay.
fades.
You know, was it all the fades, or kind of just one in particular, or just all?
Pretty much.
Yeah, sure. Okay, perfect. So let's talk about that a little bit, because we want you to have the confidence to be able to hit all those shots as well. So, let's talk a little bit about what makes the fade, right? Okay, so kind of a couple things. We'll talk a little bit about the setup to hit a successful fade shot, okay, and then just a little bit about the path and the face and path awareness, okay? So so if you want to go ahead and get set up to this line for me, that's going to be the middle of your stance, okay? All right, so go ahead and get up. That's the middle of your stance, all right? So something, if you think about it this way, we kind of swing in an arc, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so, if we're trying to hit a fade, right, the idea behind hitting a fade is that you're swinging left of where your face is pointed, right? So, an easy way to kind of get set up for a fade is if this is the middle of our swing, this is kind of, square path, square face, right? If the ball position is just a little bit in front of the middle of our stance, right?
Right.
Now it's on the outside of this arc, right? We're automatically swinging left of our path. Does that make sense, right?
Yes.
So that's kind of a good way, and it's a good way to think. Come on over here for me, because I want you to visually kind of see this. All right. So if I get a ball here, okay. So this is gonna be the middle of my stance, right? And if I put the ball, let's say 2 balls forward of my stance, okay? So now on the arc, as I'm coming through here, the club is already starting to go left, right? Okay, so the club is already starting to work its way kind of in that direction, right? Left of where our target is, okay? And now our target is that first sign, okay? So does that make sense? So the club, the path is already coming left already, and our target's here. Now, in order to get the right amount of curve on the ball, you want it to land at the target, you need to have the club face, okay, basically right in the middle of these 2 alignment sticks there, okay, right? It's halfway in between, okay? So that way the ball's going to start here, and you're swinging just left enough for it to land right on target. Does that make sense? Okay, so that's what I want you to work on. Come on and hit the shot for me. So I want you to make sure that the alignment stick is just in the middle of your stance, okay? That ensures the ball position is just a little bit forward. And I just want you to take a normal swing. You want your club face here, and it's going to start a little bit left of the target, okay, and fade back towards the target. Yep. Alright, so it ended up going left, right? So I think what we need to do is let's try, we're going to put the ball even just a little bit more further in your stance, okay? Because we really want to emphasize the fade, right? So go ahead and get set up for me. Okay. Okay. That's kind of more here. This is really your stance now. Okay. That's where we want the ball to be.